Right. Very good afternoon, morning or evening, whatever time of the day it is. Welcome to Something for the Easter Weekend, where my lovely staff, a few of the sales guys, are assembled. There's Tony, look, it's Mark. Jonathan is sweating over being attacked by a wasp or a bee, which is buzzing around in his window. It all right now? You safe?
It's gone now. Yeah, it's gone now. It's fine.
Fantastic. Right, so something for the Easter weekend. First off, thank you for joining us. I hope you are keeping safe and your family as well, of course. And I hope you're keeping yourself amused enough in the weeks and however long it takes to get past this horrible experience that we're having all to go through. So that obviously goes without saying. And I hope you're enjoying the little videos that we're putting out. A bit cranky, some of them, but it's all part of the fun. So I'm going to pass over to Tony. I don't know where he is. He's actually down there on my screen. I don't know where he's going to end up being when this gets produced. But Tony, over to you. Tell them about Yaesu. What was their announcement yesterday afternoon, whenever it was?
Yeah, so good news basically. For those of you that were looking to buy Yaesu products and it's the winter cashback offer, we're now onto the new cashback offer, so the new 2020 cashback offer. And the radios, I have listed them down, Martin, so I can get it right this time. Change. So to begin with, the 991A, yes, there's been a slight price increase within the unit, down to shipping costs, etc. However, now £70 cashback available on the 991A. We do have stock. Make sure you get your orders placed in quick as well, because obviously shipping is. You have to edit it again. Sorry, Mike.
He's spluttering, isn't he? What he's trying to say is, poor. And let me tell you, Tony, he's not rabbiting when he's in the showroom, as you know, and on the phone, he's all this. And he's also, in his early days, used to be a DJ like me.
I didn't speak. I was a proper DJ.
My day, Tony.
I was a selector.
He used to obviously fill all the bits, and people think, I wish you'd shut up and let us listen to the music. What he's trying to say is that we still get the carriers every day collecting, which is great. So thank you, UPS, DPD, Royal Mail. They're working their what's-its off to get the kit. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah. That was, yeah, near enough to the point. It's basically being unprepared. That's what it was.
Right. We never prepare anything when we do our little talks, do we?
Basically being unprepared.
So they are still collecting. The only problem is I've actually forgotten which wireless you're talking about, Tony. We're just talking about...
So it's the FT991A with the 991A, HF 6 meters, 2 meters, 70 cent, and C4FM as well. So there's a lot of system fusion with meters around now. Absolutely perfect.
I think that was that the delivery that came in. Was that the delivery that came in on Thursday, Friday? I can't remember. I know we've got them in stock again.
Yeah, we've just got new stock of those. So worth doing, and 3 years warranty as well of all Yaesu products. So worth bearing that in mind.
And as Tony says, there's a whole raft of Yaesu cashback. So thank you, Yaesu Japan. That's where the offers come from. Obviously, Yaesu UK get involved as well. Right, so that's all up and live. Look on the website. I think there's a big banner that we put up yesterday. Thank you, Tony, for that. Right, I think we're going to go right over to Jonathan, and he's going to tell you all about his radio he'd like to talk.
Yeah, so I'm going to talk about the FT891. Which it's again on the cashback offer from Yaesu. £70 back you're getting on the 891. So the 891 after the cashback is 589, which is an unbelievable price for such a capable radio. HF and 6 meters, 100 watt output power. It's got the 3 kHz roofing filter as standard. So it has the remote head. So if you want to buy the separation kit, you can run it mobile. And HF mobile is something that I've had great fun with over the last couple of years or so. And something definitely to get involved with, and it's never been cheaper. 589 after the cashback, absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, I agree. And I actually, when they first came out, I thought, well, this is quite a smart looking radio, and it took a while to take off, and then suddenly it went mad. Yeah. And with the old FT857, which is now finished production, I know it's got 2 and 70. You can get on 2 and 70 handheld so cheaply. The 891 is really worthwhile. Mark, our resident FTDX 101 man. I know, is that on? I should really have these cashback. I shouldn't be asking. I should know.
Yes, that's on cashback. £90 cashback.
That's the mistake I made.
Because I will say to the guys, you should know what the cashback offers are. Don't fluff it.
It's £90.
And of course it is. It's got £90 off. So over to you, Mark, who's there. on my screen. Hopefully he's on yours. Might be there.
Good afternoon. Trust you're all keeping well and safe. So the brand new FTDX 101. And in case any of you thinking I've been in a refrigerator for the last year, it is brand new again. Yaesu have just released a brand new firmware update. It's completely transformed the 101 now. It's got a very sexy band scope on it. It was good before, but they've updated the colors. It's now got a 4-color 2D display. The 3D display now is just cosmic. It's got multicolor. It looks amazing, and the noise reduction is utterly different. It used to have 15 algorithms. It's now actually got a linear progression from 1 to 15 for the noise reduction, and a lot of people have a big deal on the noise reduction on various radios, so please revisit it. Indeed, it's got £90 cashback, and it's a terrific rig. It's my daily driver. I love it. But yeah, the firmware update really warrants you having another look at it if you haven't done already.
And indeed, the MP version in particular is 200 watts. And if you've seen Mark's video that he very kindly did for me last week, it's totally off his own back. I didn't ask him to do it. And where he explains, you think that's quite a big jump from a D to an MP. But there are lots of advantages going for an MP. The main reason, of course, a much higher voltage rail on the PAs, and the cost of 100 watt amp and the larger tuner, and there's lots. So have a look and you'll see his whiteboard presentation, which was a different way of putting it over, but he did the job. So well done, Mark. And they're in stock, FTDX 101 MP. What else can we talk about? Acom amplifiers, the Acom range of amps, the 700S, the 1200, which is full solid state ones, and their valve amps, the Acom 1000, the 1010. I'm very pleased to say, because of the reputation of Acom, and the fact that the momentum for purchase is getting better and better, I think I took some photographs of the internals, the way that Acom are manufactured in Bulgaria. We've got to get more of these in, and purchasing is telling us what we're right to do so. We're getting a huge shipment from Acom next week, so check out the Acom range. The 700 watt amplifier, the new 700, is beautifully engineered and is an ideal for all the guys out there with a 100 watt rig. I mean, I'm not going to go through them all because there's so many. So please check out the range of valve and solid state amplifiers from Acom. Whilst we're talking about Acom, Krasi, my Bulgarian, hello Krasi, my Bulgarian engineer, unfortunately has been very ill recently, nothing to do with CV19, but before that he's been self-isolating at home, and he will be back eventually when all this is over. A big shout out to him. He used to actually work for Acom as one of the high power RF engineers before they worked for megawatt transmitters, and everything was here. It's all fallen out, stands on end. But so we've got a lot of experience there, and of course working in the main workshop with Steve and the others, they have looked at what he's done. We love selling the amplifiers that we do, despite the fact sometimes we have a few problems, as you will do with any high power device, usually mismatched antennas and things. Anyway, that's it. 991 has been discussed. I'd like to have a shout out to Mark, ex-Kenwood Mark, whose father was rushed into hospital umpteen days ago, unfortunately caught the COVID-19. I'm very pleased to report he was released and is back home this morning. So G3WRO, big thumbs up to you. Keith, please get well soon. I'm really pleased to see that you're back on the mend. I'd just like to say, and I know all of our guys, as all of us are concerned about it, we are finding it more difficult, as all the distributors and dealers and other retailers in the country are finding. Getting shipments into the country at sensible prices really is difficult. Not just because there's very few aircraft coming over. It's the cost, and the prices have already started going up about a week and a half ago. We've still got good stock levels, but every time we try and get stuff back in, it's costing us masses more. I'm not expecting any violins, but please believe me, you will unfortunately see the prices go up. And it's not so much the factories, it's more the shipping charges. And that won't really relax till we get past the phase that we're in now. Okay, that's it, I think. All right, guys, anything else you want to chip in and say?
No, just thank you for your continued support, really,
Absolutely.
during this time, and then just everyone stay safe.
Yeah, I think we all sing that tune, and I'd just like to thank everybody that's been sort of supporting my business, still keeping all my staff employed, I'm pleased to say. We're working very hard. Big thumbs up to Daniel, my eldest son, Paul, and a few others that are at the store, Gary, of course, and others that are all gloved up and masked up and working really, really carefully. They're all in different locations in the premises, and we've put a routine in where it's all clean regularly and everything. So really, really trying hard to work to ensure the safety of my staff, of course. So thank you very much. See you next time. Please be safe, and a big cheerio from us four and the rest of the gang at Martin Lynch & Sons. Goodbye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
I hope I press the record button, guys. Otherwise, we'll be doing this all again.
Get it right this time.
Here we go. Cheerio.
Bye.
It suddenly occurred to me what I didn't do before I closed our little something for the weekend Easter video about Easter weekend opening times, sort of virtual opening times. We're closed tomorrow, Friday, but of course our website is still running. So if you're looking at any product, please just look at it. If you want to ask any questions, email, and one of my guys will come back to you either that day or Saturday. Anything you order over the Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday will be picked on Tuesday when the store reopens, and it'll be collected from the store. So that's it. The guys will be online phone-wise, of course, on Saturday, and Saturday is 10th, 11th, I do believe. Yeah, 11th this Saturday, and then of course closed Sunday and Monday. So that's it. Easter times, closed tomorrow, but you're welcome to use our website. Open Saturday, shut Sunday and Monday. Anything you order over the weekend will be shipped out on Tuesday onwards. Thank you very much. Be safe and have a very safe time, and keep well. Bye-bye.